as a Muslim woman, are you supposed to be addressing a man at any time?
And if it's like, if he's a teacher, if he's your teacher, yeah, you can talk to him.
So I'm your teacher.
No, like, you guys
okay, so you violate.
No, you guys are teaching people online.
Am I your teacher?
No, everybody's
my teacher. You violate.
Everybody's my teacher.
You violate.
What do you mean?
Violate means that you're going against the same code you claim to uphold. Violate.
What are you talking about?
You violate. You're going against the same code you claim to uphold. Violate.
No, we can talk to men.
Oh, that ain't what I was told.
No, you can't flirt with them. You can just ask them dirty questions.
You can't ask them dirty questions?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But I like talking to everybody, even kids, I talk to them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can talk to the animals too.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, nice talking to you. Bye.
Peace, God. Peace. Alright, so where I got you. Witness the almighty finger. He said, hold on, where I got you. Okay, there we go. She was not leading into a field, bro. World, what's going on, man? Put this cigarette out.
Okay, True. Listen,
Okay, True. Newport, man.
Nobody's smoking a Newport, True. This is all I'm asking.
Stop smoking no camels, man.
Okay, look, because you know I'm great at roasting. I can roast you for hours. I'm not here to roast you. I'm just here for the people.
Man, I'm trying to get putting out good karma, bro. I'm look, bro, cosmic currency. My bank account lit, bro. Stop smoking them marbles, man. Stop smoking them Camel Crush, man. Stop smoking them, man. I'm trying to look good karma.
Listen, bro. I don't want to put 70, 90. I really don't. Okay, so stop playing. But listen, stop. Listen, let's stop. Listen, don't
not
play
the
with me.
Address.
Listen,
not
bro.
The address, world, please. Not the address. Don't you, world dude, don't you startle me with this address you about to release. Don't startle me, world dude.
Nature boy probably gonna smack fire at you when I drop this. Okay, so you better think about what you're saying right now. Think about what you're doing. Okay, you got a son and Velvet got a daughter. Okay, so think about. It's on you, bro. Okay.
World, please don't drop the mixtape, world. Don't drop the mixtape, bro. Don't drop the leak footage you got of me, man. Don't drop the secret hidden text messages that you got.
You is playing. Nature boy probably gonna thunder you when he come in there, bro. You was playing right now, bro. You ain't got no, bro. Stop. Stop playing, bro. Stop.
The video.
Bro, you sitting in Edith's house right now, bro. Stop.
Bro.
You better stop, bro.
Release.
Bro, you better stop, bro. Just stop. True. Listen, I came to your live. Other than that, you could go back to doing what you're doing. I just came here to speak with you right quick. You got a second? You got a second? Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Do you have 1 second?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, all right, great. All right, this is the deal. How long y'all gonna be there, bro? Because y'all in that lady house. I'm asking, how long y'all gonna be there?
Look, let me tell you something, man. I live day by day, man. Sun up, sun down.
How long will you be over there? How long you gonna be over there?
Look, man.
Over here, hold on. I'm gonna tell you where you at. Wait a minute. Give me a second. I'm gonna tell you where you in there. Okay, over there at the Family Dollar. How long y'all gonna be?
Come out to play. Ain't giving y'all nothing, y'all niggas is bugging. I promise, boy, I'm not that dude. Took a little detour over Rosie to the source. I feel like, but I'm cool. Hey, but I'ma keep going. Watch me bounce that line and make you better never lose. If you want lies, go to World News. He running his mouth like he got no goons. Hey, my nigga, we not no goons. We spiritual gurus, baby, just a fool. I'm minding my business. I'm trying to get rid of the sickness. I'm tempted, boy, what about you? Hey, anyways, back to the truth. Every day that you secure my soul, I Pice joint, that new Pice joint. Oh yeah, that shit hard too. We going to shoot some guns real quick, man. Velvet left. Hey, Velvet been left. Velvet ain't here. Velvet left a long time ago. She not with us right now. Let's evaluate attachments. Take over the lease. Velvet gone. Time to get rid of the bag. Pull up, pop, Chief, do you love Malia? I'm so happy for you. Yeah, I love Malia. You got rubber on your nose. Signal to the earth is on froze. Yeah. I want to do some aim practice, you know what I'm saying? Practice our aim with our guns. Because niggas say they got our address out, so we about to go practice real quick. We're going to do some target practice. Put world news on them. On one of the targets, practice real quick. You know what I'm saying? So niggas won't pull up on me. They gonna get my address out with my daughter on it. You see my daughter with me, you see kids with us. You gonna get my address out. I got something for that ass. I got something for your mother to show you. Yeah, Velvet gone. Appreciate it, y'all. You're gonna see what we hold in a minute. I don't fuck with Velvet. I fuck with Eliana. I fuck with Nana. I don't fuck with Velvet. Nana's still with us, yeah. But Velvet, she gone. What are those? You got rubber on your nose. Velvet is gone. She has left the building. Instead you wanna be a cancer. She the phone. Take it more than you. As we proceed to give you what you need. Get live, motherfuckers. As we proceed to give you what you need. Get live, motherfuckers. Turn the mics up, turn the mics up. The beat is locked, turn that mic up. Turn that shit the fuck up. What? Turn it louder. Who shot y'all? Separate the weak from the oxa. Leap hard to creep them Brooklyn streets. It's on, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. I can hear sweat trickling down your cheek. Your heart beats down like Sasquatch feet. Thundering, shaking the concrete. Then the shit stopped when I fall the plot. Neighbors call the cops, said they heard mad shots. Saw me in the drop, 3 1/4. Slaughter, electrical tape around the daughter. Old school, new school, need to learn though. I burn, baby, burn like disco and burn hard. Burn slow like blunts with yayo. Kill more skins than Idaho potato. Niggas know the lyrical molesting is taking place. Fucking with B.I.G. it ain't safe. I make your skin chafe. Rashes on the masses. Bumps and bruises. Blunts and land cruisers. Big Papa smash fools. Bash fools. Niggas mad because I know the cash rules. Everything around me, 2 Glock 9s. Any motherfucker whispering about mine. And Brooklyn's finest. Finest. Bad boys behind this.
Any questions?
I'm just here for the conversation.
Yeah. Oh, you here for the convo? What's going on? What happened? What happened, love? Oh, you was calling in reference to what Carbonation gun range shit?
Yeah, that shit was crazy.
What happened, yo? How you feel about that shit?
Like they some little kids, like they some little boys just trying to go off for fake guns. Well, not fake guns.
What happened though? What did you see though? Aside from the fake guns and stuff, I mean, like, what did you see?
I saw some bad shooting at some short ass targets.
Well, I did see some very short targets, and I also seen some people who were very unseasoned with using firearms as well.
Right, very much.
Did you actually hear the guy coaching the other guys on? You know, the guy that never does anything, that's never in the camera view. Did you hear that guy coaching them on to shoot at the shooting range with my name on?
Yes, I thought that was crazy.
That is rather controlling.
That was kind of like junior high.
That was beyond junior high, to tell you the truth. Yo, I'm definitely not on that frequency right there, but I don't know who the fuck he thought he was scared with that bullshit right there. But like I said, that right there tell you that Cookie with the shits. If Cookie let them come back over a motherfucking house any damn way, you feel what I'm saying? See that she endorsing this shit.
I don't know. I don't think she knows what she's doing. I think she's totally clueless, probably.
I think Nature Boy probably been in there rubbing up on them big breasts or something. That's probably what he been in there doing. He done got Cookie head all the way fucked up in there now. The babies and everybody that been up there. They done been with the white boy. They done been every damn way now. They going for broke with this shit out here, man.
Yeah. I thought they were keeping low profile. I don't know what guns have to do with nature.
You said what now?
I said they're not really keeping a low profile, and I have no idea what guns have to do with nature.
Oh yeah, hey, you know what? I don't know what any of that aggressive stuff has to do, especially after he showed us that he was Jesus and everybody was sitting around, you know, in a circle and stuff. You know, they were listening to him. You know, as he walked out, you know, with the toga and stuff on, you know, he came out there and shit. You know, he sat cross-legged and everybody listened to him. See, I don't know where all this aggressive stuff even came from. You know?
Well, it's no different than when Pops showed up in Palenque, and when they was with the baby at the doctor's office, and then the next day he had all the warriors outside sharpening knives or whatever.
But you know why I wasn't like that though, low key? Because the dick wasn't hard. You see how this shit was harder than the motherfucker in them gray jogging pants. That shit wasn't hard then, was That nigga shit probably hard at the shooting range out there. Every time the nigga take a shot, he in there watching True bending over in there and shit. Yeah, and all of that shit was hard then. This shit always hard in there around the nigga. Yeah, that's what he do. See, that's the difference between that. See, whenever he got somebody, you see, that's willing to address the fuck shit that he doing, see, that's when a little girl come out of him then. See, you gotta try to order them other niggas around. See, all that ordering around, he order niggas around, he need to order them niggas around and order them to go get a goddamn job. That's what the fuck he need to do. They need to start producing some motherfucking money and paying some fucking bills and doing something that's constructive as opposed to sitting around shit all motherfucking day. Them niggas ain't they ain't about shit, man. They done went to the shoot. How you gonna go to the shooting range around all of the gun shells and shit fall out on the floor but go home with no pistol?
I know, and who's protecting the women? I mean,
now, then then when you say who's protecting the women, that's a great point. But think about this shit right here though. You remember that girl, Bambi? You remember Bambi?
yes.
You remember Bambi brother?
Yes.
You remember him, right?
Yeah, I remember him.
You know, he had some real whole lot of shit to say about two Nature Boy, right?
Right.
Okay. So he needs to be thinking about shit like that with people that really want to go over there and smack fire out of his motherfucking ass straight like that. So he down there, like I say, yo, that fucking around. He ain't got them couple hop, skip, and jump away from Six Flag Drive over there talk that old yang any damn way. He already scared as hell. He trying to hype them other niggas up. That's what he doing. Man, that nigga hard jumping all the way through his chest right now, about to bust all through his goddamn internal organ. That nigga whole rib cage right now about to break. That nigga skip about to break, man.
Yeah,
Been on that nigga ass.
Another thing, they out in the country, where they're located. They're out in, they way out in the country.
One day, hey, do you remember, have you watched any Tyler Perry movie before?
Yes, plenty.
You know, like when people like write books and playwrights and movies and stuff like that, they always have characters and stuff like that be close to where people be at and stuff like that. Have you ever noticed that?
Yes.
Have you noticed what's the name of the character that Tyler Perry be talking about when he be talking about when that old man, you know, Joe, you know that man that be smoking weed and stuff, that old man with the glasses, the gray hair?
Yeah, Medea brother.
What did he say Medea's sister name is?
Her sister?
Her
and Joe are sister and brother, but I don't know if they have another sister.
Yeah, they always be talking about Mabel, though. They always talk about Mabel.
Mabel is Medea's daughter.
Her daughter, okay, you're right, her daughter, Mabel. So Mabel right around there, too, there, right around there, too, there. Right there in there, folks, County. You know what Mabel?
Mm-hmm. Aren't they
right
in Cobb County?
Huh?
Aren't they in Cobb?
Mm-hmm. It's so real. And see, the funny thing, you know, about all this old stuff right here, right? You know, is that people will sit up and freeload off of people and stuff all up in their house and stuff, and not even worry about, you know, things as deep as people who are actually worrying about the safety and the livelihood of those children, despite the things what we've seen online. You see, this dude simply thinks that this is a game. He thinks they're actually using sexploitation as being something that's cool, something that should be honored. And after doing all of these unthinkable, despicable acts, he gets back online and then play like he God and shit. You know, he Jesus and Muhammad, and he every motherfucker body. He had the Holy Ghost, that nigga every damn body on this motherfucker. Next week, that motherfucker might be Eddie Murphy, man. That nigga might be Eddie Murphy, man, on Beverly Hills Cop. Yeah, I'm dead ass. Remember when Eddie Murphy was playing like that drag queen and came up in that motherfucker? When Eddie Murphy was a drag queen, he might be playing like Eddie Murphy as a drag queen. I'm telling you, man, this nigga got so many different faces and everything, man. This nigga got faces and everything like that nigga on Batman and shit. I'm for real. He got all shit. That nigga might come out here with that. You ain't never seen him on the goddamn screen with that LF, get his lips and carrying on. I can't stand no nigga doing that shit. Man, I fell out with a nigga one time in prison over that shit. Nigga talking to you and licking his goddamn. I said, man, why the fuck you keep doing that shit, bro? Nigga kept doing that, man. I'm like, man, don't be doing that shit. Like, what you mean? What the fuck you mean? What I mean, nigga? You keep licking your motherfucking lips, nigga. We ain't in it. Bro, I don't like that shit. That nigga be doing that shit like he LL and shit. LL be doing that goddamn shit on CSI, man. I'ma go on Twitter and cuss that nigga ass. I'll be like, man, don't be doing that shit on CSI, my nigga. Keep that shit gangster, bro. You gonna be a cop, nigga. Stop trying to fuck all the women and shit on CSI. Come on with that shit, man. Yeah, but that's what that nigga be doing, man. That nigga done been Jesus. That nigga done been Gandhi. That nigga done been Martin Luther King. That nigga done been everything. That nigga done been Big Meech. That nigga done been everybody. Man, that nigga done been everybody. Scooby-Doo, Shaggy. God damn, that nigga done been everybody. The Green River Killer, that nigga done been everybody on here, man. Taking pictures, that nigga done been R. Kelly, all type of shit. This nigga ain't, man, I'm trying to tell you, man, this nigga a fool, man. Nature boy a whole lot of motherfucking fool out here, yo.
World, have you been able to get in contact with Cookie?
Nah, ain't nobody fucking with Cookie, man. I done had a couple people that tried to get in contact with Cookie, man. Cookie don't want to be contacted by people. Cookie gonna ride this shit all the way out. Cookie been deep in the game with this shit right here. She been with this carbonation shit, you feel? Yeah, she don't care nothing about us, man. She ain't trying to answer no calls. Ain't fuck that Tyrone shit, all that. Cookie don't care no more, man. She going all the way out for carbonation, man. She gonna rep this shit to the death. You see how Sassy came over here? She letting all them niggas freeload up in her shit and everything. She don't give a fuck.
So.
Cookie don't care about that shit, man.
But I think you found the right one. I think you found somebody with some money, a place to stay, no man, or, you know, it's pretty sad.
It's folks that already linked Cookie with having a husband. I don't think she stayed with him, or if they separated, or whoop-de-whoop, and something with a church and all kind of shit connected. Cookie got all kind of money and shit she's sitting on. See folks doing all type of shit. I got people right now looking at shit, going through all, going all through shit right there, trying to see what the hell going on with Cookie.
That's
Cookie something else. That's why I say all them names, the shit, motherfucker got all kind of different names, 8, 9 different names. That shit will make you think. It'll make you think. When a product got out like that, we don't keep it real with you. I don't want you to be one way one day. Like, I don't want you to be Melinda one day, and then the next day you married, and the day after that you Mashonda, and the day after that you know what I'm saying, Malika. All them moms, fuck that. Be the same every day. Stop changing. That nigga be Tarzan one day. The next day that motherfucker be Charles Barkley, and then the next day
we got a problem, you know what it is. AR. We got a problem, you know. We got a problem, we got small problems, or we got big problems. Either way. You know what it is. We lay it down. But we got small problems. You know, we can deal with this. We can deal with small problems right here. Because you know love is understanding, but I be trying to be cool about everything, you feel me? But niggas got put my address out, pull up. Pull up, I got something for you. Right. Yeah, stay right, matter of fact, stay right there. See this? Love is understanding. Get your shit at my niggas. You feel me? Love is understanding. This called an AR. An AR. See that? That's AR. Military shit. You feel me? It's regular lives. It's light work. You feel what I'm saying? Big problems, small problems. Which one you want? Alright. Feel me?
This is drugs. This is your brain on drugs. Any question?
shit, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna ride. Y'all don't wanna ride, Shay riding with me then. Fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Right. Hey, this Uber on YouTube about this motherfucker. That's how we're gonna do this shit right here. Here we go. I just heard somebody pop up in that motherfucker. Hold on. Before we start this ride, I guess Sweet Ma want to ride with us and shit. Hold on. Put her in the car right quick. Sweet Ma, yeah. You up in there, ain't you? Uh-oh. She is right. Oh, okay. But you ready to ride. Hey, yo, we riding? We riding. You know, so we going. Y'all with it. We going right now. Let's get it, man. Let's eat, man. Let's ride our way out, man. We in the it one time with the motherfucking one time. Let's go, man.
It's all in the game. A nigga can't change. Don't break a bitch in the game. Just like on the planet.
Damn.
I pick up my car phone, call the freak me. It's my nigga baby mama, but sometimes I creep. That's just the way it is. Niggas have to take a chance when you ain't around. Anybody could be in that ass. But I'm just a young nigga trying.
What's going on? I'm just calling in to let you know you good, bruh. Everything you saying, you straight. You want it. You got nothing to worry about. You know what I mean? A motherfucker new, never put in no work. I used to study with him on the low. Like,